Hello Raider Nation, this is OneManOneCamera. Today we are at the Raiders home office, and as you can see, it's May 15th, 89 degrees Fahrenheit, which is shown on my phone. So it's kind of warm. No clouds really in the sky down here. It's a nice day. A little breezy as usual, but hey, what can we do, right? Alright, so as we can see, this is the north side view of the facility, and we have our one shield is up and our Intermountain Healthcare Performance Center sign is there. Now it looks to me as if most, if not all, of this north side of the building has been completed. I don't see any obvious markings or, you know, missing windows, missing glass, none of that good stuff. So to me, it looks like it's okay. Now what's left is when we look over, hang on, let me zoom in. Okay, when we zoom into the office area, I can still see some of that white tape, or I guess liner, not sure what you call it. That's what it looks like from here on some of the glass. So I guess they're almost done. Okay, and then there is the front shield on the east side of the complex. Okay, now it looks like we have our palm trees over here, which is nice, but they haven't been opened yet. There's like a sort of wrapping on top, either rubber or a rope, which is holding them, you know, almost like saying hands up, and smaller trees right here. All right, looks pretty good. Let's go and change positions to get a different view. All right, let's rock. I moved over to Raiders Drive to get a better shot, a different shot of the front of the place. It's looking pretty good. Like I said, right, we got the shield on the east side looking good. We have the address 1475, and then right where it says Las Vegas Raiders, and the word I learned from Mr. Duntoff, Porte Couture, looking good. How you doing?
How are you?
Doing all right, just having a good time. And as you can see, it is turning out to be a lovely building. Now, around this place, you got just empty space, right? So eventually I imagine this whole area will be filled up with either warehouses, or probably warehouses, because it's like a warehouse zoned area, I believe. Okay? All right. Okay, I moved down a little bit, and as you can see, nice bicycle. As you can see, they're working on the driveway or the drive-through this area. And this road goes straight back down there. Now check out the fence though. Now this fence is different from what they had in the rendering. In the renderings, from memory, I believe it's solid. It's just like a solid wall with Las Vegas Raiders on there. But they have abandoned that idea and have moved to this, which looks fine. You know, standard fencing or wall, and so on. Okay, and we got more trees. So it's good. They're gonna have, I think they're gonna have a lot of trees down here, but nice and tree lined, with a nice green look. All right, and there's a bucket someone forgot. Don't be sloppy at the construction site, guys. Okay, all right. Let's keep moving down. A lot of sun glare. Here we are, smack dab in front of the building. It looks great, and as you can see, they're gonna have some fencing right here, right in front, with these pillars. There'll be a gate here. I imagine we closed up certain times of the day. Glassing looks good. There is still some work to be done on the entrance frame. I see a bit of orange on there. How you doing? And so security's here. I should move along. Adios. Okay, so I've relocated to the southern side of the complex, just behind the Toronto Bread for Life bakery. And actually, this place smells really good. Here's their trucks, in case you ever see them out there and you're somewhere running around. That is a Toronto bakery. It smells good. All right, security guard told me to leave from one area. I was standing directly in front of the main gate, I guess, because it's 5 o'clock or so, and so all the team has gone home, so there's no activity. Someone stood over there, took some video. He drove, saying, "Man, I really can't take it." He said they don't want you taking pictures. I said, well, it's probably too late for that, you know, and blah, blah, blah. So I didn't want to give the guy a hard time. So I came over here. But we're not done yet. All right, now let's check out what's happening. Now you can see, maybe you can't see. I will zoom in a little bit. Let's zoom in now. Okay, as you can see, the shield is up on the south side, hip hip hooray, but the Intermountain Healthcare Performance Center is not yet complete. And the Las Vegas Raiders is still there. Now, check it out. Here's the grass, looking good. Now, look at the renderings, and on the renderings, this area right here, I think in order to block any spies, whatever, they might use trees. I hope it's trees and not just a fence, you know? I like trees, look nicer. Guess I'm a hippie, I guess, huh? Anyway. But the system is system. The place is looking pretty good. Oops. This side also looks like it's... Is it complete? Maybe almost complete. They probably know what not to take care of. But it is looking pretty darn good. You know, and overall I think this is a nice looking headquarters for a pro football team. You got your offices here for the paperwork and so on. You got the indoor field house. Well, indoor field house. You got the field house. And then you're going to have 3 fields running into the field house. Special teams, offense, and defense. There you go. All right. Now there will be some bleachers, I believe, for probably maybe fan appreciation days when they'll let folks in to take a look. See, I can't imagine it being every day. Okay, it'll probably be scheduled whenever this madness ends, and you sit down, probably relax, and who knows, maybe even talk to the guys, get some autographs, get some selfies, and all that good stuff. I do hope so. It's looking good, yeah? It is looking good. That bread smells good. You know, I wish these guys had like an outlet. I don't think they have an outlet. I don't think they have an outlet. When I was a kid, there was a bakery we used to go to, and they had an outlet, a retail outlet. You go in there and buy some, you know, fresh bread. Man, 'twas delicious, my friends. 'Twas delicious. All right, you guys, let's go back over to the east side of the facility and take a look-see, okay? All right, let's go. All right, you guys, we're on the east side of the complex right now. And with the sun in the position that it's in, it's going to be hard to see things. I do apologize for that. I woke up late. Well, that's a lie. I was lazy and didn't leave the house. Okay, all right. As we can see, looks good over here. Now, this little driveway right here is lined with more palm trees, which is really nice. The place is looking pretty good. I do like its style. All right, now above the shield, above the shield on the south side of the complex, we have these little overhanging guys right here. And I just wonder if they're permanent fixtures or just there for the construction phase of this. I was curious. And at first glance, I thought they might have been lights to like shine down, but that wouldn't make any sense, right? Because the shield, I think, lights up, or will light up, but I'm not sure about the Intermountain Healthcare Performance Center sign. I don't think that does. So who knows? Maybe. Anyway, just what I thought. Okay, all right. So if we look straight ahead down here, you can get a glimpse of the glass. Jesus. If we take a look down here, we get a glimpse of some grass. And like I said a little while ago, I wonder if the southern edge of the property will be lined by a fence to hide people from, to block people from making videos of the team working out, any kind of spies, whatever, or if they'll use trees to line it. I wonder. Can I imagine this whole thing is going to be fenced in or boxed in and you won't be able to see anything from the streets. Nothing at all. All right, here's the front fence. And like I said, it does differ from the rendering. The rendering had more of a solid thing with the name Las Vegas Raiders in the front of it. It looks like that has been scrapped. And now we only have this. And those of you wondering what's around this area, so this is the what we call Raiders Way, currently Executive Airport Drive. And in this building right here, I believe is part of the airport, as are all of these other things over here. Hangars or warehouses or maintenance areas for the airplanes which fly in and out or are parked here. Okay? And as you can see, there's nothing in between there. It's a lot of junk. And I imagine this land will be sold off eventually. And then if you take a look-see, just to get a quick shot of some of the strip area. Let's see, what is that? I don't know. Go to the right, to the right, to the right. And it's hard to tell, but there is the Mandalay Bay and the Delano. And the area complex, Cosmopolitan. And then a whole... Oh, there is a... Is that Resorts World? I believe so. I need to get over there and get another video done. And the Drew. The Strat. Alright. As you can see, lots and lots of things in front of the Raiders HQ. Alright, you guys, this is hard to see probably. The sun is directly over the Raiders HQ and in my face and in the lens. So this might not be a very good quality of a scene, of a shot, but hey, I got her too late. Okay, so now, as you can see, here is the, oh man, here's the front gate. So, St. Rose Parkway is down there. You come down Raiders Way, you come on down, and then if you have business in the place, you can drive right on up to the front door, under the portico chair, and then go inside. The building does look nice. I likes it. I likes it a lot. You know? And we got our palm trees to the left, palm trees, and to the right. So anyway, I was standing, see that orange thing right there? I was standing right in front of that when the security guard came up and said, hey man, you know, about taking pictures, whatever. And I think they get kind of funky if you're on that side of the street. Now, there's probably some legal thing where you can fight if you want to, but hey, let's be honest with you guys, I am not going to fight or argue with a security guard about taking a video, have him call the cops, you know, and blah, 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 blah. I got no interest, I have no interest in something like that. So anyway, so the place does look very nice. All right, you guys, this will be a short one today. I got here way too late, and the sun's in the wrong position. But anyway, like I always say, see me outside, say hello, say hello back, take care, wherever you are, have a great day. This is One Man, One Camera. All right, you guys, hope you enjoyed. Take care and stay cool in the heat. I'm out.